This is a morning movement and stretch routine. We're doing some dynamic stretching, some great moves to start the day. This is a gentle routine, which really can be done any time of the day, or for those recovery days where you just want that gentle routine. I'm Sandra. I'm so glad you're here. Let's get started. We're standing nice and tall, zipping up the core, lift the chest. Inhale the arms to the ceiling. Exhale the arms down. 2 more. Big breath in. Exhale out. Placing the feet a little bit wider than hip width. We're going to lift one heel and same side arm is going to circle back. So let's go ahead and lift the right heel, reach the arm forward, circle to the ceiling, circle back and down, and then other side. You decide how big your circles are. Just listening to your own body. You could have a little bit of a twist as you're circling that arm back. Two more for each side. And then we're going to stand with our feet in a staggered stance, 1 foot forward, 1 foot back, toes are pointing forward. We're going to keep our legs in this pyramid position. Start to hinge at the hips. We're not rounding the spine. We're just hinging our upper body forward. Palms are facing back, and as we hinge the upper body forward, lift the arms behind you. And then upper body comes up, and we reach the arms forward and up. And then bringing the arms down, hinge forward, reach the arms back. Keep going, reach up as your upper body comes up, reach back as the upper body comes forward. Keep going. Nice dynamic stretch. We'll do 2 more each way for this side. For this foot position. And then lifting up, just switch your feet around. And we still have toes pointing forward. We're going to continue with that move in this staggered stance position. So here we go, hinge at the hips, upper body comes forward as we reach the arms back, and then lift upper body, reach the arms forward up to the ceiling. Again, you decide how far your arms are coming back, how far your arms are reaching up. Slow moves, waking up the whole body. Two more rounds. And bring the arms down, bring your feet back to hip width, and just shake everything out. We're going to plant the feet about hip width apart, arms out to a T, palms facing forward. I'm going to make sure I have a little bit of room behind me. We're going to come into cactus arms, so bend the elbows, palms facing forward. We still have that core engaged, pulling the belly button in just slightly. Arms come forward, forearms touch. Open the arms, little twist to the side as one arm reaches forward, the other arm reaches back. Come back to center, cactus arms, close and open. Twist to the other side, reach your arms in opposition, back to center, close, open, twist and reach. Keep going with this pattern. Another dynamic stretch. We'll go 3 more rounds. Feeling really great in the body. Last one each way. And coming back to center, let those arms come down, just shake things out. We're going to swing our leg forward, and opposite arm will also swing forward. So let's start with right leg, left arm. We're standing nice and tall, swinging forward, coming down, and then other side. And the opposite arm could swing in opposition. So as one arm comes forward, the other arm can come back. Just do what feels natural. Just enjoying this swing here. Four more for each side, and 3, and 2. Last one each side. Plant the feet down. Clasp your hands in front of your chest. Reach your arms forward, knuckles forward. You could let the shoulders come forward a little bit. Just stretch out the upper back. And then start to bring your clasped hands above your head. Turn the palms to the ceiling, reach to the ceiling. Release your hands, let your arms come down, and place the palms on your lower back. Bring your elbows back, bring your shoulders back, open across the chest. And again, clasping hands in front of the chest, reach the knuckles forward, pause here. Bring the hands over the head, turn the palms to the ceiling, reach to the ceiling. Release your hands, bring them down, palms on the lower back, elbows back, shoulders back. We'll go through that one more time. Clasp hands, knuckles forward, reach forward. Above the head, turn the palms, reach up. Release your hands, palms to lower back. And then release the arms alongside the body. Turn your palms to face forward. Bring the arms just a little bit out to the side, palms facing forward. We're going to hold the arms here. There's a little bit of a balance component in this next one. Feel free to have a hand on a wall or the back of a chair. Right leg, we're going to tap the toes forward, and then little semicircle, tap the toes back. Again, bring the toes forward and then foot down. Left leg, toes forward, semicircle back, semicircle forward, and foot down. And just alternating legs. We circle back, we circle forward, and foot comes down. Some movement at the hip. Keeping the arms out to the sides. Four more for each side. Three more. Two. Last one each side. And then just bring the arms down, shake them out, plant the feet. We're going to gently turn the head to one side, not trying to get to any certain distance, just what feels comfortable, just keeping those shoulders relaxed down. Turn your head to one side. Come through center, turn your head to the other side. And center, again, turning side. And center, other way. We'll just do one more head turn to each side. Coming to center, 3 shoulder rolls, up, back, and down. Rolling those shoulders back and down. One more, reminding ourselves to keep our shoulders back and down. And then 3 big breaths. Reach up to the ceiling. Exhale the arms down. Big inhale, big exhale. And just a reminder, it helps me out so much when you hit the like button. If you enjoyed this workout, give me a like, give me a comment. These things help me out a lot. Thank you so much for joining me. Also a reminder, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you in another workout.